Watch me transform my sister's everyday look from this to this glam masterpiece. Make sure to subscribe. Starting with the moisturizer, here I'm using Pond's gel moisturizer and applying it all over her face, and please ignore my voice. Now she's using like lip balm, Vaseline lip balm, and now I'm using concealer. This is from Swiss Beauty, and I'm starting with the eyes first. Now I'm just blending it out, and now I'm using this Makeup Revolution palette, and I'm using that white shade to set her lids. For the transition, I am using this light brown shade all over her eyelids. Here I am using the dark brown shade on the outer corners and blending it out. Here I am mixing two shades like light brown and pink color and applying it on her lids and like blending everything. Any harsh line is there, so I'm going to blend this out. Now I am using Swiss Beauty palette, and this golden color is like shimmer shade, is so beautiful. And yeah, this is the main point of this eye look. This looks so pretty. And here I'm using Lumi cream and applying it on her highest points and blending it out. Now I am using this Inside Cosmetics Pore Professional primer, I think. Yeah, now I am using that. Here I'm using an orange lipstick as a color corrector because I don't have any color corrector, so here I'm using it. For the foundation, I don't have her perfect shade, so I'm trying to mix two foundations to make like a shade for her. And here I tried literally my best to give her like perfect match, but yeah. Now I am using a brush to blend her foundation, and after brush I use beauty sponge, wet beauty blender, and don't forget the neck. Here I am using the same concealer for her under eyes and rest of her face. The shade is I think 03. This brown golden glittery eyes can never be wrong. You can literally do this eye look with every outfit and it looks amazing. Now I am using liquid blush from Mars Cosmetics and like applying it on her cheeks. Here I am setting her face with the Blue Heaven loose powder, and after applying I dust off the excess product from her face. Now I am using Sugar Cosmetics palette to bronze her face. Using the same palette for the blush. This blush looks so pretty. For highlighting, I am using Mars Glowzilla palette and use that champagne shade to highlight her face. Now I am using setting spray to set her makeup. For the lower lash line, I am mixing both the two brown and pink tone shade and applying it on the lower lash line. For the eyebrows, I am using Blue Heaven Aristro eyebrow pencil. Now I am highlighting her brow bone and her inner corners from the same palette and same shade. Now I am curling her lashes, and here I am using the amazing mascara from Mars. It gives like false lash illusion. This is so pretty. Look at that. Look at her eyelashes. looks so pretty. And for the lower lash line, I am using different mascara. This is from Rimmel London. For lips, I am lining her lips with a nude lip liner. This is from Swiss Beauty, and I am mixing two shades of lipstick. One is from Maybelline and the second one is Nykaa. Most of the product that I use in this video are super affordable and you can recreate this look. And this is the final look. Do let me know what you guys think about it. And she is very happy with the final look. I forgot to record her reaction. Look at her smile. And this is the close-up. I'm trying to show you like the eyes and everything. Eyes look so pretty. And yeah, I will see you in my next one. Till then, bye bye, take care.